If you're wondering how to check if your website is indexed on Google, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find out if your site is showing up in Google's search results. By the end of this video, you'll be able to check your website's index status in just a couple of minutes, and I'll even share a free trial for a tool that will help you along the way. First, let's dive into the easiest way to check if your website is indexed. The most straightforward method is by using Google Search. All you need to do is type in site, followed by your website URL directly into Google's search bar. For example, if your website is www.yoursite.com, type site.yoursite.com and hit enter. If your website is indexed, you should see a list of pages from your site displayed in the search results. If you don't see anything, your site might not be indexed. Now, what if you want to take a deeper dive? There's another way to check using Google Search Console, a free tool from Google. If you don't already have it set up, head over to Google Search Console, log in with your Google account and add your website. Once set up, go to the coverage section. Here, you can see how many pages of your site are indexed and whether any issues are preventing pages from being indexed. This gives you a more comprehensive view and shows any crawl errors that might be blocking Google from indexing your site properly. You can also check individual pages in Google Search Console. Just head to the URL inspection tool, paste a specific URL from your site, and it will tell you whether that page is indexed or not. If it's not, you'll get a list of possible issues to fix. If you're not using Google Search Console yet, I highly recommend setting it up. It's free, easy to use, and gives you a lot of insight into your site's performance on Google. Now, what if your site isn't indexed? The most common reasons are that your site is new. Google hasn't crawled it yet, or you might have a technical issue blocking Google from indexing your site. To fix this, make sure your website is not blocking Google's crawler via the robots.txt file or meta tags. You can check this in the crawl section of Google Search Console. Also, keep in mind that it may take time for Google to index your site. If your site is new, it could take a few weeks. If you've recently made updates or launched a new page, give it some time before checking again. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that I've tested some of the most popular software tools for checking your site's indexing status, and I found one that I really recommend. If you want to follow along and make checking your website's indexing even easier, I've got a special free trial for you in the description below. This free trial is exclusive to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it before it's gone. Key takeaway: to check if your website is indexed on Google, simply search site.yourwebsite.com in Google, or use Google Search Console for a more detailed report. If your site isn't indexed, don't panic. It might just need more time, or you may need to address a technical issue. Just to recap the main points. First, try the site, search in Google. Then, for more details, use Google Search Console to see your site's indexing status and fix any potential issues. And don't forget to check out the free trial in the description for an easy tool to keep track of all this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.